Hey there, Mark Yagi here, and I'm just amazed on this MicroStrategy thing. So it's 3:35 on Friday. This option that I have is a 300 option, expiring today in 25 minutes, and there is still somebody willing to pay 85 cents for the chance that this stock in the next 25 minutes is going to go up at least 85 cents. Now it just went to $1.40 because it's moving all over the place. So the stock is at the money. The highest juice is at the money. That makes sense. But still, like, you don't know, like, you got a 50% chance of the stock going up 81 cents or down 81 cents. If it goes down 81 cents, you lose all your money. If it goes down 81 cents, you break even. What? Like, the stock has to go up 81 cents and then some for you to profit if you're the option buyer. If you're the option seller, there it is now at $1.26. This is crazy to me. So I've been waiting all day to make this video for you guys. You see how much I care? But it's the 300. So this is my juice. Earlier in the day, the stock was a bit lower, but it was still $1.56 if I remember right in juice. And I'm like, I'm not giving them that juice. That's my juice. So I'm waiting. Here it is at $1.21 again. I'm waiting. So we'll see what happens. But like, I'm gonna wait them out. This is my juice, and I'm not giving it up. And it's gonna be zero in 24 minutes. Zero. So like, all I got to do is wait. Patience, or the rewards come to those who wait or something. So stay tuned. I'll catch you up in a minute when I finish this trade. Okay. This is about 7 minutes after I made the last video, or I recorded. And look at the extrinsic value is still at $1.13. And this only thing has 18 minutes left to go. This is the crazy thing to me, gang, about people who buy options. Like, they are real gamblers. They're like, I'm sorry if you're an option buyer on this channel, but like, you're not that sharp. Like, if you're betting $1 that this stock is going to go up at least $1 in the next 18 minutes, you might be right. It may rip up, like in the next, and you're brilliant. But if not, you're going to lose $1. Doesn't sound like much, but if you got 300 shares of MicroStrategy, or if you're on the hook for that, like if you did 3 contracts, in other words, you'd be down $300 just for the thrill of it's like a gamble, right? So I'm still not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. It's my money. I'm not doing it. So hang on. I'll record as soon as I do it. But I'm going to pause right now because I'll be back in a minute. Okay, here's another update. It's 3:45. So there's 3:46. So there's 14 minutes left in the market. The stock is right now at $299.97, so it's below the strike price. And there's $1, well, it says 99 cents. It's about $1 still left of juice in it for 14 minutes. So somebody is betting that this stock is going to stay above 300, and it's got to go up $1 from here because they're paying that extra $1 in juice to me for the stock to go up. I'm always amazed at people, right? I'm always amazed at the gambler. So hang in there. I'll be back, in the next 5 or 10 minutes to do this trade. Look at it. It's going $1.13. This is just unbelievable to me. It's almost 350. Okay, just turned 350. So that means there's 10 minutes left of the market to be open. And somebody is going to, now look at it. It's dropping here, okay? You see this intrinsic value? That means how much in the money amount there is. There's no in the money amount because it's below 300. And this amount here is the extrinsic value. That's the juice. That means that somebody is going to pay me, if I sell them the right to buy my stock for 94 cents. There's somebody out there that's willing to pay almost $1 for 9 minutes just to see if the stock is going to go over $390 or 89 cents right now. So I'm not going to even stop the recording because I just think this is so indicative of what happens with options. Like, the people get euphoric and emotional, and the people that are selling options, we're the ones that make the money. And we can wait almost to the last minute. Like, we got no risk to wait to the last minute. And so I'm also showing you that I'm not worried about the stock getting called away. I've got the 300s. The stock is at $299.73. When I first started making this little recording here, it was at 301 or 302. I'm not worried about the stock getting called away. And if it does, or assigned, whatever you call it, if it does, so what? So they stick a bunch of short shares in my account and I buy them back on Monday. Like, so what? Like those of you that are worried about that, either you're worried too much about the tax man, in which case you've got the other side of the trade to write off against it, or like you don't understand. Like I never get called away. Now, as I say that, maybe I get called away right now or get assigned right now. Anyway, the bottom line is there's still 85 cents. So I'm just going to kind of wait them out. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a buy order to buy those calls back. Just a closing order, and I'm going to buy those back at, let's put in a limit order. Look at it, it's $1.09 right now. We're going to put it in just at a quarter, okay? 0.25, and it's a day order. And so I'm just going to put that order in and see what happens, okay? It may fill, like somebody might go, you know what, I better to get a quarter, than to get nothing. So, they could buy it from me for a quarter. Like I got $9.57 for it. Like, do you think I care that much about, getting rid of a quarter? I did earlier today at $1.56. I probably could have covered it then, and then I'd be ahead. But look at this stock. They're going to engineer it to be right at 300 by the time the market closes today. But I'm not going to let it happen. I'm going to buy it back, really close to the market. But they're playing with me. They're playing with me. And I don't like it, but it's kind of fun. I don't know. Anyway, are you bored? I'm amazed. Look at it, still 93 cents, and it's 7 minutes left. So this stock has to go from $299.65 to $301.50 something, okay, to be able to have that person break even. I'll wait. That's cool. I got a 25-cent option in there. I've got one order in the working order column there. I can delete that in a second and get out. I'm going to wait a little longer. There's no downside for me to wait. Look, it's going up because this is right, now going in the money, 92 cents. So that person that I was just making fun of a dollar ago, they're feeling pretty good. They could turn around and sell it, but look, they can't sell it for that much, right? Now we're getting somewhere. Now it's 36 cents because it's $1.16 in the money. So that person did make some money. Well, they're breaking even. They still haven't really made much money. They're kind of breaking even. Maybe a little bit, a few cents. Interesting, right? Anyway, I don't know if you guys geek out on this stuff, but I do. Like every single penny of juice is mine. And there comes a time when I'm like, okay, fine, I'll just pay the juice. It's 47 cents now. I might pay 47 cents to get out of this thing. That's not that greedy, right? And it's giving them a little bit of money and a little chance to get out. But now it's $3.54. I'll probably wait one more minute. There it is at 37 cents. You see how quickly the option declines? Last week it was a $9.57 in juice, and now it's 40 cents in juice. You see that? So in a few minutes, it's going to be worth $0 in juice. I don't care how high this stock goes. I'm in this for the juice. I got this when I sold it, $957 a contract times 12. That's like 11 grand. And I'm going to buy it back for 65 cents or 25 cents a contract, which is not 11 grand. It's like, $250, $300. I'm happy with that trade. I'm happy with the juice, even though MicroStrategy has been all over the place this week. But to me, that's what it's all about, right, guys? Like, it's collecting this $957 on 12 contracts, and then you buy it back here, wherever it is, here in the next 5 minutes. And then I'm selling out for next week, right? And next week's a short week. So, you know what? I'm still waiting. I know if I wait long enough, I'll get my quarter. I'll buy it back for the quarter. But still, it's hanging up there. Look at it. It's back down to $299.86, right? So the person I thought might have made money by buying it before now only has 5 minutes left in the market. Okay, there's my fill. So now let me just make sure that I have nothing left in there. I've got 0 contracts. Now I've got to go here and sell 12 of the next week's contracts. So which ones am I going to do? And I got to hurry. I only have 3 minutes. So what are we going to do? We've got next week, 6 days. It must be a short week because it's Easter or whatever. I want to give myself like $10 of cushion on the upside. So I'm going to go, and my goal is I can make $9.75 again in extrinsic value in juice. That looks like a pretty good spot to me. You know what? Let's make it even better. Let's make it $12,000, $13,000 here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to sell. I'm going to do a single. I got to hurry. It didn't do a sell. Okay, well, we're going to have to change this into a sell. Sell the next week's 307.50s for, well, let's just go at the market, confirm and send, 2 minutes left. I want to make sure I'm not screwing up. I'm selling. No, see, I almost screwed up. 12 contracts, because I have 12 contracts of those 307.50. Should get me like 10 bucks or something like that. Let's see. All right. Okay, it was down to the wire. That's pretty close. I haven't been down to the wire like that in a while. But now we've got 12 of the longs of the 175s. We sold 12 of the shorts, and I picked up 10.95 in those. So 10.95, 10.95 times 12. That's $13,140 for a week. Okay, so what I was trying to show you here not only is that there is a possibility of you getting a lot of juice, but sometimes you have to wait out the juice, which is what I did. And you saw how the intrinsic value declined. Look at it. It got down to 25 cents because they filled me. And here it is at 26 cents in a couple more minutes. In one more minute, it's going to be worth zero. So I wanted to show you that that extrinsic value just dives towards zero right at the end of the day. And I gave you a perfect example of what happens when it's right around your strike price. It's 27 cents now. In 30 seconds, it'll be worth zero. Pretty amazing, right? So some person is willing to buy it with 1 minute left for 21 cents. That's amazing to me. And you saw it all along the way. And I'm willing to be the seller. Like, give me this stuff because I'm creating income. Give me that juice. That's making me my money. All right. Hope you liked it. I've got this. This is a whole MicroStrategy series that's probably number 44 or number 45 video. Go back to November 20th. It's the MicroStrategy playlist if you want to see the whole start to finish MicroStrategy playlist. And it shows that I've gone in a stock that went from like 477 to 543 all the way down to like 220, and here we are back to 300, and I've made money because I've had strategies in place to do that. And there's a lot of people that bought MicroStrategy and they've been hoping, or they sold calls out of the money and they've been hoping that it comes back because, you know, Bitcoin's awesome and blah, blah, blah. And I agree with all that, but they haven't made any money while the stock's gone down $300 and now it's bouncing back. We show you a way to make money from the juice, which is income. It's totally different than buying low and selling high. We're in this for the income every week. You just saw me make $13,000 in income, and all I got to do is wait till next Friday to collect it, regardless of what happens with the stock. If it goes up, great, my base position goes up, so I'm not losing money over the strike over 307.50, right? If it goes down, I collect the juice, so I'm getting my juice to buffer my downside. I just don't understand why a lot of people don't do this, but you know, I don't understand a lot of things in life. All right, listen, have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye. Hi, Mark Yagi here, wealth architect and author of this book on my covered call investing system called the Cash Flow Machine. Listen, what you just saw is just one part of creating reliable income of 2 to 4% a month from the stock market. But you know, if it were that easy, then everyone would do it, right? If you want to learn how I create investment income the right way, then you need to learn and have a system with rules and what-if strategies so that you can learn what I do when the market goes against me, what I do when the stock goes against me, how to adjust my trade so that it's always in a winning position, how much to risk, how to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio that creates income of $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 a month in semi-passive income. And best of all, the whole cash flow machine system takes less than an hour a week to implement. Just go to cashflowmachine.io to learn more, or click this link for more videos, masterclasses, and free resources. See you there. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.